Now, students, in question number 11.2, question number 7, question number 3 and 4 charts are given where area of the in first one we are using area of the parallelogram formula, and in second one we are using area of the triangles formula, because area of the triangle is given one and here it is given area of the parallelogram. So when area of the parallelogram is given and base and height, in between base and height one value is given, then you have to find the other one, which is the missing number. The question is find the missing value. So as it is the area of a triangle, area of a parallelogram, so you have to use the value formula of the area of the parallelogram. Now in question number A, base given 20 centimeter, height you have to find out, and area of the parallelogram given 246 centimeter square. So what you have to find out? Height of the parallelogram you have to find out. Understood? So use the formula to find the area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram equal to base into height. So if base into height is equal to area, I can write in this way also, base into height is equal to area. Base into height is equal to area. So height is equal to, okay, put the value. Base is equal to 20, height we don't know, and area 246. Is it? Now into h is equal to 246 by 20. You have to cancel and find the value only. 2 tens are 20, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 threes are. So the result is 12.3. 123 by 10 centimeter. That is, therefore height is equal to 12.3 centimeter. 12.3 centimeter. Understood? In this way you have to find the value of the missing number. Next question is question number C. Height is given 8.4 and area is given 48.72. So do this one as you know how to do. I am doing in this side only. Question number C, where base is missing, area given 48.72 centimeter square, and height given 8.4 centimeter. Then what you have to find out? You have to find out the base. So you know that base into height is equal to area of a parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram, short form of parallelogram. Learn. In this way you have to write afterwards. Area of the parallelogram. So base we don't know. We have to put the value of height 8.4 equal to area 48.72 centimeter square. Now to find the base, what you will do? Base equal to 48.72 by 8.4. As the point is there, so to remove this point you will do 100 here, and to remove this point you take 10 here. So whenever you are doing this kind of cancellation, I will expect that the cancellation will be done by my students. I will not help you because I have done my calculation here. You see all the rough work I have done here, and I will expect that you are my students and you will do your rough work by your own. As much you will do your rough work by your own, do not depend on another's rough work. You will be expert on this kind of sums. Next, you have to find the value of base. So base equal to I have done by from my calculation. I am saying that it is 5.8. So the base of the parallelogram is 5.8 centimeter, base of the parallelogram. So students, I want to see the rough work in the side of your classwork copy. Otherwise, I will not check your copy. Understood? Don't copy it from my PDF and submit. You have to do the rough work by your own. Next question is, find the missing values of the when base and height of the triangles are given. Base in question number A, base is given, question height is missing and area is given. Question number B, base is missing, height is given, area is also given. Here I have given in the previous chart, I have given last one is as homework for you. Here I have not given any homework, but you have to practice a lot. If you want to be expert of this kind of sums, you have to practice a lot. Next question, this question, to solve these sums, question number A, you know that area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height is equal to area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. So put the value, every value you have to put half into base is 15, height we don't know, area 87. So h is equal to 15, h is equal to 2 was here. So 15 into h, 15 into h is equal to 87. 2 was divided here, so 2 will be multiplied over here. Now h is equal to 87 into 2 by 15. 87 into 2 by 15. Now what will be the result? If you divide it, you will get, the calculation is there but I will not show you. 15, 1 ja 15, 15, 5.8. 5.8 equal to 87. So when you are giving this 5.8, h is equal to 5.8 into 2, 16, 11.6 centimeter. Understood? When you are getting this, you will get the answer 11.6 centimeter. So the missing value you can get in this way. You have got this missing value. Question number, next question number B. Here see, base is missing, height is given 31.4 and area is given 1256 millimeter square. So the same way, half into base into height is equal to area of the triangle. Now half into base, don't know, base is missing, and height is 31.4 equal to 1256. Now base into 314 by 10, 2 was here, 1256 into 2. Now B is equal to 1256 into 2 into 10 divided by 314. Next, what you will get? Now divide it by 2. You will get 3. What was the value? 314. 3. It was 314, you are dividing it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 sevens are 14. Now by 157 you can divide it 8. It will be 8 only. 157 into 8 you will get 1256. The result is now 8 into 10 equal to 80. 8 into 10 equal to 80. Then what is the result? Total value missing for total, therefore base is equal to 80 centimeter. Understood? Then in this way you have to find all the missing values by using your calculation and by using your formula. Students, I will not show this rough work to you. I will be trim it, as I want to see that my students are now in class 7 and they are able to do the calculation by their own or not. Thank you, students.